Hello, beautiful people. My name is Mailula Babalo, and if this is your first time tuning in, don't forget to just click the subscribe button to comment, like, and share this video with your friends or anyone. My beautiful friends, today I'm here to talk to you about something great, I can say. How can you manifest money in your life? How can you just attract money into your life? Yes, not many people know about this because this is not what we've been taught in life, that you can manifest any amount of money you need in your life. But the truth is, you can manifest money. But one thing you need to know, my friend, is how to send the correct message to the universe, how to send the correct signal to the universe. Because many have been asking that, I feel like I want certain things, but the more I try so hard, is the more I feel like things are getting harder and harder. This is what's happening in most people. Because one thing, I just want to be honest with you, the universe or God has been answering everything that you've been asking Him. The universe is always working for you. The universe is always responding to you. But what many of you family needs to understand or to know is this, okay? You need to know what is it that the universe is responding to, because that's where the secret comes from. The universe, my friend, is not responding to your words. Okay? This is one thing which I want you to understand. The universe is not responding to your ways, but it is responding to your thoughts. It is responding to your thought. Your thought is what can change everything in your life. Not many people know that. I've manifested money in my life. I've manifested 8,000. I've manifested 6,000. I've manifested thousands. I've manifested 100 rands. That's something in my life. Okay? How did I do that? You use your thought. Okay, the one thing you need to understand is that as long as you understand it, please pay attention. The universe is responding to your thought. Okay, if you say something, I want to be rich, I wanted to succeed in life, I wanted this dream car, I wanted this. Okay, but your mind, there's we have what we call the conscious and the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is what controls most of the things in our reality. The reality is shaped by our subconscious. If subconsciously we are not in the right position, we'll always attract wrong things, because when we talk about the subconscious mind, it's where we are referring to the background belief, how you were raised. They've raised that for you to get this, you have to do this. Without this, you cannot do this. So That is what shapes many people. You cannot get money if you don't have this. So you end up, your mind is programmed that way. We use this way. Your mind is programmed this way. So one thing is, many people, they are having many negative thoughts. Somebody say, I want money, but only just, you are giving even the universe limitations that, I only need amount of money that I can make a living. I only want this because money is the root of all evil. That's what many of you have been taught. Money is the root of all evil. Okay? But one thing is, money is what you use to live the life you want to live, to buy the clothes that you want to drive the car that you want to drive, to buy the house that you want to buy, or to build that house that which you wanted to build, to go to places which you wanted to go. But now you say it is the root of all evil. How do you expect money to come to you? How do you expect to attract it? Okay? So listen to these beautiful people. One thing, for you to be able to attract money easily and effortlessly, you need to get rid of all negative thoughts, all negative saying about money, talking all bad about money. You will never attract money in your life. I'm not saying I'm rich, I'm not rich, but I know that I can do most of the things which I want to do in my life. Using money, same money, you know. I only do what? I only just send the correct signal to the universe. If I want money, like for instance, this is what I do. I just want to share with you this simplest trick, okay? Is to say positive things about yourself. Say positive things about money, And the secret behind it, if you want to be rich, or you want something in your life, because now we are talking manifestation. If you want to manifest something into your life, you need to feel as if you already have what you are looking for. I am rich. Use the I am affirmation. I am rich. I am worthy. Each and every day you can say this. It should just, because the moment you say it again and again, now your mind, you are triggering your mind to end up believing, because you are trying to fix the subconscious mind to believe that you are worthy of receiving whatever it is that you are seeking in your life. Okay? Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am abundant. And again, the power is in the gratitude. Appreciate what you have now. Appreciate the universe that I appreciate the clothes that I have. I appreciate the shoes that I have. I appreciate these devices which I use right now. I appreciate the roof over my head. I appreciate my health. I appreciate the protection. I appreciate the health in my family, the well-being of everyone in my family. I appreciate the fact that I woke up this morning. I appreciate, appreciate. This is one of the things which you need to learn to do daily in your life. Keep your mind positive. Stop saying things like, I'm poor. Because the moment you say, I'm poor, Rena, life is not fair for us. Rena, because I'm not educated and those things. Rena, then that's exactly what's going to happen in your life, my friend. But the moment you start correcting your words, saying the right things, sorry about the sound in the background. People there, it's a good thing. So people are having fun. So, my friend, you need to understand this. Fix your mind and reshape your reality. And I will be sharing with you another technique which I use to attract money into my life, to get money to attract opportunities, certain opportunities, without even begging anyone. We are not begging anyone. Opportunity will just come to you at the right time, and you'll feel as if you are dreaming or something, but you are not, because of just using the power of your thoughts. Because I love this scripture in the Bible from Romans. It's 12 verse 1, if not mistaken, somewhere there, which says something like, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Because that scripture simply talks about knowing that your reality is shaped by what? By your mind. What it what you constantly think about is what will manifest into your life, is what will turn into something in your life. I hope you learned something beautiful, people. It is great. Let's just breathing in that good energy of the universe. And I know somebody's gonna say it feels good to be in this world and to be alive. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, click it and learn more from me. I learn from you, you learn from me, we grow together. This is from me to you, my friend. I say thank you for tuning in. Comment below. Remember, I am here for you. I am here for you. Ciao.